Alright, we're getting ready to do some furniture. A couple of couches. They're like a microfiber.
We're going to clean it with a Dupray NEAT Steamer.
Yeah. We're waiting for the green light to come on. There is the steamer. It gets to 275 degrees, so this is a vapor steam. It's not wet.
Yep. All we do is shoot steam through this rag right into the sofa, and it pulls up the dirt and everything with it into the rag, and you throw the rag away when you're done, and you got clean furniture.
Yeah. And there's the little car that we do business with. Go all over the county. Alright.
So we're just waiting. The steam's about to heat up, so maybe we'll turn the camera back on when it heats up.
I'm going to pause for a second, and we'll come back and start steaming. And we're back. This is a sofa and Loveseat. They don't look dirty at all, so there's not going to be anything magical to see. But there's been some small spills. They don't really show up on camera, so we're just kind of cleaning that out. Not a lot to it. So these cushions will dry pretty fast. That's one nice thing about this method. People can get back on their furniture within a few minutes. One thing to keep in mind when you're using steam cleaner to clean furniture is you're breathing in the fumes. That vapor that's coming up, you're going to be breathing that. So whatever's in there, as far as if you sprayed any chemicals down, you're going to be breathing those. So in some situations you may want to wear a respirator. We're just using the floor tool, which basically connects with these two wands right here, so you can do floors and carpets and stuff. And the tool's nice and flat, so it's good for doing mattresses and furniture.
The good thing about it is things get sterilized.
Yeah. All right. Alright, did you do the backs yet? You might move that forward. Don't pull the hose anymore because you're jammed up against your cord. So you just take your time and go over everything. We're keeping the tool moving because 275 degrees, you can damage fabrics if you go too slow, so you don't want to hover in one spot too long. Keep the tool moving and just go over it again and again. Kind of work things out. A lot of times on sofas, these are nice and clean, but a lot of times on sofa you can see there's a little wear here where people have put their arms and everything. So you get a little bit of body oil and things like that, skin cells a little bit, and so the steam's good at getting that stuff off of there for you.
That's one. You might as well stop the camera a minute till we get ready.
Yeah, I'm gonna pause. We have to reposition everything to get on to the next one, so stay tuned. Alright, we're back. We already did the back of the couch, and he did the sides a little bit, and he's done the seat backs, so all that's really left is the seat cushions. I guess it's not a seat back, but it's the backs. He's going to do just the seating area, where you put your posterior. That's not done yet.
Yes, your posterior.
And we always, like I said, we keep it moving. You don't want to damage any fabrics. Now we do put a little peroxide on the seating areas and the arms.
We do if someone tells us a dog urinated on the couch.
Anything,
or something.
yeah.
Otherwise, we do them dry.
Because that's gonna take care of any organic matter, and then we put that on ahead of time. You always want to test an inconspicuous spot. Make sure you're not going to have any color shift or anything when you put
any fun trouble. Yeah.
Yeah. You always want to be careful. You don't just go into these things because you don't want to cause any damages. And don't take the wrinkles out because they're supposed to have wrinkles.
Yeah.
Well, There's not much to this. Usually if we have a really dirty piece of furniture, you can see a big transformation. This is a nice. This sofa and Loveseat are in great condition, so there's not much to see.
We've done heavily soiled furniture, and it's just taking stuff out. So we don't guarantee stain removals, but they come out.
Yeah, that heat will take a lot of stuff out. Well, I think that's basically the gist of it. He's just going over it one more time. And
just for good measure. It's
yeah,
done.
I'm going to call it good on the video, though. You guys get the point. If you have any, well, check the video description. I'll put links in there for the Dupray NEAT. And anything else I can think of I need to put in there, I'll put in there. So hope you enjoyed that. Till next time, thanks for watching.